Beautiful table settings. The importance of centerpieces. Hello, dear learners. Welcome back to our English language learning series. Today, we're moving on with our Food and Dining module, particularly focusing on the aspect of table setting. In this lesson, we will dive deep into the topic of centerpieces. So, let's get started and learn about this captivating subject. A centerpiece is an important decoration that is usually placed in the middle of a dining table. It is a focal point that attracts attention and adds beauty to the table setting. Centerpieces can come in various forms such as flowers, candles, fruits, or even creative DIY crafts. When setting a table, the centerpiece plays a crucial role in setting the mood and tone of the meal. There are numerous types of centerpieces to consider when setting a table. Let's discuss a few. 1. Floral centerpieces. As the name suggests, these centerpieces feature flowers. They are typically used for formal events or special occasions. For example, you may see roses in a vase as a centerpiece at a romantic dinner. 2. Candle centerpieces. Candles can add a sense of warmth and coziness to a table. They are often used in low light conditions to provide a soft, welcoming glow. 3. Fruit centerpieces. These types of centerpieces are both colorful and functional. A basket of fruits can add a splash of color to the table, and guests can enjoy the fruits after the meal. 4. Holiday centerpieces. These centerpieces are themed according to the holiday being celebrated. For example, for a Christmas dinner, the centerpiece might include pine branches, ornaments, and candles. Centerpieces are not only decorative elements but also can serve as conversation starters. For example, a unique DIY centerpiece might inspire a discussion about arts and crafts, or a centerpiece featuring exotic flowers might lead to a conversation about gardening or travel. So, centerpieces do more than just beautifying the table. They help in facilitating engaging conversations. We've come to the end of our lesson on centerpieces. As we've learned, centerpieces are more than just table decorations. They set the tone for meals, add aesthetic appeal, and can even foster stimulating conversations. I hope you found this topic as fascinating as I do. Keep practicing your English and remember, every meal is a chance to learn something new. Until our next lesson, happy learning!